Hello everyone, welcome to Caroline's Craft Tree. Today, some freebies, some things going into the membership section of coffee, as well as a new digital kit. So let's just go and show you. This is called Bird Book Pages. Now I've done a few a freebie as well as a few things for in the membership selection, as well as the digital kit, which is papers. So this is a freebie for everybody that will be on coffee. So it's like postcard style things. And then there's three things going into the membership section. We've got some tags that go with the pages. We have some oval embellishments that go with the pages. And these are in the membership section. So if you're a member, you get these 3 sheets. And then there is some just journal cards. So we've got these 3 that are now in the membership section. So if you are a member, you get these included in your membership. Membership is only $3 a month, so it's cheap. And these are the pages. This digital kit is just a paper pack, and there is 36 pages in this. So there is lots and lots of pages. Now you could easily use these for anything that you want. And then once you've folded, you've got them. So even though like here, that's going to be where you fold it. So let's just make some room here. We've got here. So on these ones with the birds, kind of with the book page on the back, landscape, there is 20 of them. And they're all just birds on a very neutral background. And as I say, once you've folded these and put them in your journal, I really like how they turned out. I think they look really, really good. A lot of these could go into a Halloween theme or a goth type journal. Lots of ravens and that type of stuff that would go good there. Love the colors on that bird. And when I was making this, I was thinking, well, you can really see that. But then once it's folded, of course you don't, because that's right where it would be in your signature. So lots and lots here to use. You could print them small and use them as journal cards or something. You could print them small and you just fold them and make it into like a little booklet. All kinds of things. Here's another one with just like raven and crows. So lots and lots in here. So as I say, there's 20 pages of the landscape. Some have a bit of color, but there's not like a whole ton of color. Most of the colors are very neutral. And then we've got some landscape ones. And there's 10 pages of the landscape. Now, not 100% sure what you would use this on, because if you folded it, you can't really use them. You could, like if you're making like a tall skinny journal, but you could print them smaller and then use them as journaling cards or something. I do like the way they look. A couple of birds with a little bit of color. I didn't want this kit to be too colorful. I wanted it to be very neutral and kind of grungy and stuff, so but it did turn out good. I think I'd be more likely to print these out on half size. So there is that. And then I've done 6 background pages. So this one has just a hint of blue. And of course these can go anyway. And there's another one that's similar to that. And then I've got some that I've put a couple little faded birds on the corner. Here is a lined piece. This one has a couple birds, as well as that one. So, as I say, 36 pages. This kit is. This paper pack, you can get it on Coffee, you can get it on Etsy, and you can get it on Creative Fabrica. These freebies are on Coffee, which, as I say, they go with this kit. Not with the kit. As a Coffee member, you can get these 3 here, which are included in your membership. So these are on the membership freebie side. And then this one with the 4 postcards is a freebie for everybody. Pop on over to Coffee and get that. Check out the memberships section. $3 a month is cheap. Right now I'm up to around 20 freebies for the members. Plus every month on the membership, I will be putting up a digital kit, which is free for members, but it will only be up for the month. So always keep an eye out for that. Check back often on Coffee. You never know when I'm going to add stuff. I will be trying my best to video them all. So we'll see you over there. Check out the Facebook group, and we'll see you soon. Bye.